Swift MT799 is one of the most commonly used Swift messages in the world of international trade and banking. Yet it remains a misunderstood term among many business owners and even finance professionals. In this guide, we bring you MT799 explained in a simple and easy-to-understand format. What is Swift MT799? The Swift MT799 is a free-format authenticated message sent via the Swift network between banks. It is not a payment instruction or a promise to pay, but is used purely for communication purposes. Think of it as a formal bank-to-bank message that confirms the intent or availability of funds, typically used in trade finance and financial transactions. So, let me explain MT799, what it means and how it's used. The MT799 is actually part of the Category 7 Swift messages, which are used for treasury and trade operations. Basically, it allows banks to send free text information, but with all the authenticity and security you'd expect. This feature makes it, well, ideal for things like conveying funding intentions, confirming readiness to transact, or even providing financial assurance in those high-value deals. And one of the key characteristics of an MT799 message is that it's non-binding, which means it doesn't actually obligate either party to go ahead with the transaction. However, it gives comfort and transparency to the receiving party that the sender is financially capable and serious about the deal. Characteristics of Swift MT799, free format message. There is no fixed structure, so the content is customizable. Authenticated via Swift, which ensures security and trust between banks. It's non-binding, meaning it is not a financial guarantee or instrument. Used for verification and often used to confirm fund availability or intent to proceed. It's fast and secure, delivered in real time through the Swift network. When is MT799 used? MT799 is widely used in international trade, especially during deals involving letters of credit, standby LCs, or bank guarantees. It helps in verifying the financial status of the counterpart before actual instruments are issued or before initiating large fund transfers. In essence, Swift MT799 is a communication tool that bridges trust between institutions in complex, high-value financial deals. Whether you're a trader, exporter, or a banker, understanding MT799 can, honestly, make a huge difference in how you approach international transactions.